Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the always on display clock and image on your Samsung S25 FE or any other FE devices. So by default, when you lock your phone and tap on the screen, you can see the always on display clock and image on your device. If you want to change this always on display clock and image, go to settings on your device. Now scroll down and you can find the option lock screen and AOD. So tap on it. In the latest One UI 7 or One UI 8 version, when you tap on the always on display, you can't find the clock style option. So you need to use the other setting to set the always on display clock and image on your device. Also, you can't find the apply lock screen wallpaper in the Samsung S25 FE, S24 FE or any other FE devices One UI 8 version. So you need to change this clock wallpaper and image using home screen setting. So tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap on the themes at the bottom. Now here you can find the AODs option at the bottom. So tap on it. Now select the top. Here you can select all, paid, free you want to use. So we select the free option. Now here is the list of images you want to apply on your device. So we select my theme that can easily view on my device. So we select this on my phone. Now here you can see how it looks when you tap on your screen. Tap on the download button on your device. Now tap on the apply button. Here you need to select choose an always on display style as a clock and image or only image only you want to set. So we select. Here you can see the difference. This is the only image and this is the clock and image. So tap on apply. Tap on a clock and image. Tap on a done option. I always on display apply. Now lock your phone. Just tap on the screen and you can see the always on display clock and image you set on your S25 FE or any other Samsung device. So quite easy to change the always on display clock and image. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.